Yan sa utama kami gusto obi. Ay, suno.
Houston's Nigerian community getting ready for 2 full days of food, music, and culture.
Yes, Nigeria's Independence Day was October 1st, but they're taking advantage of the weekend to celebrate this. The Nigerian Cultural Parade and Festival kicks off tomorrow from 10 to 4 at the Root Memorial Square. Then Sunday it continues with the 12th annual Nigerian Day Indoor Festival at Dream Palace Banquet Hall from noon to 6. You'll find food, music, dance contests, even a fashion show. Organizers will also hand out $1,000 scholarships and giveaways to students and businesses there.
Saturday, October 4th. Sunday, October 5th.
Yan sa utama kami gusto obi. Ay, suno.
Houston, see you this weekend.